Hey guys, what's good? I'm Andre and today I want to talk to you guys about some opportunities that I've spotted after the recent market corrections. Before we jump in, I'm gonna plant one tree for every 20 likes this video gets within the first week here. Help me out and we're gonna help the planet out as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna have a look at a few stocks here with you guys. So Facebook being the first one that I really want to talk about. It's sitting next to a moving average, so it's the perfect time to average into the position if you have some cash on the sidelines that you can invest. Disney is the very next one, which I think has pretty fantastic opportunity here through next year. Obviously everybody's a bit more panicked about the Omicron COVID version right now, but it's probably gonna boil down to just same old within a couple of weeks here. And then I really want to highlight the financial sector with you guys. So if you don't have exposure right now to the financial sector of the S&P, please have a look at what stocks are included in there. I think there's a massive opportunity for us to average in right now in a few of the stocks here, whether it's PayPal or things like Visa, MasterCard, Citibank, Bank of America. All of them have a very important opportunity that we should grasp right now before we move to a potentially quite inflationary 2022 and potentially even 2023. Definitely banks will be the benefactors of any inflation that we're gonna see in the next few years here. So have a look at those stocks and see which ones make the most sense for you guys. I think Visa, MasterCard and Citibank are some of the clear winners that you need to have a look at. Now, I'm gonna start a new sort of series starting in January here on the channel. I want to start fresh on the first of the year with just a portfolio that I've been doing some experimenting with. It's gonna have a value of between 3 and 5 grand depending on what happens through the next couple of weeks here with some of the positions that I already have open on that portfolio. It's not my main one and I want to see how far we can get it. Obviously it's interesting to see the growth, to see the highs, the lows and everything in between. So I think that using the methods here on the channel, things like trading options and then investing for the long term in some great quality stocks, I really want to see how far we can get this portfolio next year. And I know that you guys are frequently sort of starstruck by a few of the other YouTubers that are presenting portfolios that are maybe in the 100,000s or even the millions sometimes, and you wonder how you can get your portfolio from a 2, 3, 5 grand to where you want it to be. So join me on the journey, guys. I'm more than excited to share that with you, and if you want to be privy to it, definitely subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.